we have seen one of the video, Sharon video, it was sent through the WhatsApp. After seeing the video, the TNPCB felt that why not TNPCB can also do this type of awareness videos sent to the public. They only instrumental for creating lot of awareness videos by the Pollution Control Board. In fact, at this juncture, we sincerely, from the management of the TNPCB, we sincerely thank that SharonPly would. They took lot of initiatives for upliftment of that environment, for protection of the environment. It is a great salute to them.